Hello everyone, welcome to PR Software's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about bubble sort algorithm. As many students are facing how to write the bubble sort algorithm, how to write the program for that one. So in today's class, I am going to explain the algorithm with one example. So let us take here few value and try to apply the bubble sort algorithm for that one. So I am taking the values called 9, 3, 6, 2, 1. So first you should understand what is bubble sort algorithm and how it works. So basically my concept here is for the bubble sort algorithm, you should find the biggest value in the first pass. And that value you have to replace at the end. Means when I check here which is the biggest value 9, that value we have to shift at the last position. How we can shift? So bubble sort algorithm says first you should compare the two values. Whichever the biggest value you should swap. Means if first value is the bigger than the second one, then you have to swap the value. So if you swap first with second, then second with third, then third with fourth, fourth with fifth, like this you have to swap. Whichever the biggest value, that will go at the end. Let us start with an example. So I am starting with a pass 1. This is called pass 1. First time it will check 9 with 3. So 9 is greater than 3. Condition true or false, guys? True. When it is true, we know that we should interchange. So 3 will come first, 9 will go after. Rest of the values will be as it is. So now we have done the first swap. Now it will check this with this. First and second already we have checked. Now second and third. 9 is greater than 6. Condition true or false? True. So again it will get swapped. 6 will come first, 9 will go after. These two value you write as it is. Next, again 9 with 2 means third value with fourth value. So 3 and 6 first you write as it is. Now we check 9 is greater than 2. Condition true or false? True. True means 2 will come first, 9 will go after, and this 1 will be as it is. Only you swap this two value. Next, you compare last values. 9 with 1. 9 is greater than 1. Condition true. When condition true, it will get swapped. So this 3, 6, 2 as it is. First 1 will come, then 9 will come. So what you observe here, at the end of the pass 1, whichever the biggest value, that is at the last position we have shifted. Now, pass 2, because now first value got shifted there. Let us go with the next pass. When we go for the next pass, now we no need to compare the last value, just compare with this 4 value. Again start with 3 with 6. So 3, I will write the values here again, not to get any confusion. First compare 3 with 6. 3 greater than 6. Condition true or false, guys? False. It means no change will happen in this position. So it will be as it is. 3, 6, 2, 1, 9. No changes happen. Now it will compare 6 with 2. 6 is greater than 2. Condition true. True means swap will happen. So 2 will come first, 6 will go after, 1 and 9. Next, this position, third with fourth. First 1 with 2, then 2 with 3, now 3 with 4. 6 is greater than 1. Condition true. True means swap. 3, 2. Now 1 will come first, 6 will go after, and then 9 will be there. So what you are able to see, after the pass 2, already 9 was sorted, now 6 also got sorted. So after the pass 2, 2 values we got sorted. Now let us go with the pass 3. Let us go with the pass 3. In pass 3 you write 3, 2, 1, 6, 9. Now let us start with first two value, 3 with 2. 3 is greater than 2. Yes, condition true. Then swap the value 2, 3, 1, 6, 9. These two values we are in. Next, 3 with 1. 3 greater than 1, true. So 1 will come first, 3 will go after. 6 and 9 will be as it is. So as you know that in the past 3, already these two values are swapped. So it will not check 3 with 6 now again. So here after the pass 3, we are getting the 2, 1, 3, 6, 9. And in the last pass 4. Pass 4. Now 3 values are already sorted. Only it will check 1 swap. 2 with 1. 2 greater than 1. Let us write the values here. 2 greater than 1. Condition true. So 1 will come here, 2 will come here, 3 will come here, 6 will come here, 9 will come. So what you are able to understand? Just you have to check the adjacent. You have to shift the biggest value at the last. So here finally we got what? Sorted values. So one thing what you have to remember, if values are 5, first time you will get 4 passes because last will get ignored. Am I right? In the second pass you will get only 3, then 2 and then 1. So it depends on guys sorted order. Sometimes the values are sorted. 1 or 2 values only here or there. So it will not take much time of that. So like this, we can write this algorithm of bubble sort. So what you have to remember here, if values are 5, it will repeat. Suppose I will consider 5 is n. So minus 1 time your program is getting executed here. Is it clear in the explanation part? So same example I will take for our program and I will try to explain on the board first and then we will go with the practical example. So let us first rub this one and try with the explanation part with program. Okay guys. So let us start with this one. So I am keeping the same values. First let me write the program here. So first I will take white main. And then this program you can write with function, without function also. So only difference between with and without function is if you are writing the function, you should pass your array to that particular function. Rest coding wise and logical wise both are same only. So to make it very simple, I am writing this without any function. Let me take the variable. What are the variables we will be required? First we will require the array. So I am taking a of 5 is equals to these are the value. What are the values we took? 9, 3, then I wrote 6, 2 and 1. This is my values, right? How many variables I will be required? I required I, j, n, flag value also I will be required. What is the use of flag value? I will tell you. And then temporary variable. So total 3, 4, 5 variables and 1 array I will be required. Let us start. So here I am writing for loop I is equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. So why we are writing here n minus 1 guys? Because you know that when the values are 5, minus 1 is it should execute only 4 times. So that is the reason we are taking n minus 1. Next for loop we are writing for j is equals to 0, j less than n minus. Now here it is very important. Suppose if you remember in my pass, first it is executed 4 times, then 3 times, then 2 times, then 1 time. Am I right? Guys, here what you should remember, sir, is it necessary to write 4, 3, 2, 1 if the values are sorted? So in that case, when the values are sorted, that I will tell you. But some values are sorted, some values are not sorted. But still we need to check all the elements or not. Yes. So that is the reason we should follow this formula. So when I write here n minus 1, how many times it will execute? 4 times. How many times it will execute? 4 times. But again I want second time 3 and then 2, then 1. But n minus 1 will execute 4, 4, 4. So here we have to write minus I also. Why minus I? Let us observe here. First time I value, n value is 5 minus 1. It will become 4. Minus I, first time I value is 0. So it will become 4 only. So first time it will execute 4 times. No problem. Second time my I value will be 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. Minus I, that is nothing but 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So like this, 3. Then second time I value will be 2. So 4 minus 2, it will become 2. Then 1. So to execute this logic, we need this formula. N minus 1 minus I. And then last j plus plus. I hope it is very clear. If you are having any doubts, don't worry. When I will explain in a complete step, you will get more clarity about that. Okay. Next, the first condition what we need to check here is guys, a of j greater than a of j plus 1. Meaning, first I will check first value with the second value. A of j means a of 0 with a of j plus 1. If this condition is satisfied, we need to what? Swap. To swap the logic, we'll write t is equals to a of j is equals to a of j plus 1 and a of j plus 1 is equals to t. Guys, you don't worry, everything I will explain in a step-by-step way. So this if got completed. Okay, this if got completed and this for loop is completed here. Okay, after this I need to write some more logic that I will tell you after. First let us discuss this logic in detail way. Let me rub this part. Okay, let us understand now. So as per the program, if I want to sort this array, take all the values I, j, n, t. I'm not using flag right now. First let me explain all this stuff and then I will come to the flag concept. Am I right? Now, initially I value is 0, j value is 0, n value is 5 because number of element, and t value nothing we have initialized at the start. So first it is taking 0 less than 4. Condition true. Coming inside. 0 less than. First time this is also how much? 4 only. 0 less than 4 condition true. Coming inside. A of j. What is the j value guys? 0. So a of 0 greater than a of 0 plus 1 nothing but 1. So a of 0 is nothing but 9. Greater than a of j plus 1 is nothing but 3. So 9 is greater than 3. Condition true or false? True. So when it is true, it is coming inside. First time I am telling you very detailed way. Let us observe very carefully. T is equals to a of j. J value is 0. So a of 0 how much guys? 9. That value will go to the t. Just you put the value how I am putting, you will understand very easily. Now t is equals to, we got a 9 because a of j value is 9. Okay. A of j is equals to a of j plus 1. J is 0, 0 plus 1. So a of 1 is how much guys? 3. So those who are not aware, array index always start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 and 4. If you are having any confusion, you can use these values. Okay. Now, a of 0 is equals to a of j plus 1, nothing but a of 1. So on the place of 0 value, it is telling you put this 3 value. So just j plus 1 value is going to the a of j value. So this value we got it 3. Okay. Now second is what? T value will go to the j plus 1. So on this place, you should put the t value. What is t value? 9. Am I right? And now, here I will write little space. Okay. Now, so this concept got completed. After the step 1, or we can say after the first iteration, first value got changed. Okay. After that, which value will get incremented guys? J plus plus. So j value will become 1 guys. Again, 1 less than 4. Condition true. Come inside. When it is coming inside, a of 1, because j value is 1. So a of 1, what is the a of 1 value guys? 9. 9 greater than a of j plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So a of 2 is 6. So here it will come 6. So 9 greater than 6. Condition true. When condition is true, swapping will get performed. How it will perform? Again, t is equals to a of 1 because j value is 1. A of 1 is how much? 9. So 9 will keep as t placed. A of j is equals to a of j plus 1. What is a of j? 1. So at this position, we should shift the 6 value because a of j plus 1 is 6. So this value got shifted. And then a of j plus 1 position t value. So what is t value here? 9. So this value we are shifting. Am I right? Then after that again j plus plus. So j value will become how much? 2. Next, 2 less than 4. Condition true, coming inside. A of 2, that is 9 greater than a of j plus 1, nothing but 2. So 9 greater than 2. Condition true or false, guys? True. True means now you are aware what we have to do? Swapping. I hope it is clear. Directly I will swap. What? A of 2 with A of 3. So this value will get interchanged with 2 and 9. Clear? Next, j plus plus, it will become how much? 3. 3 less than 4. Sorry, here. 3 less than 4. Condition true. True means coming inside. A of 3, how much? 9. 9 is greater than A of j plus 1. That is 1. Condition true or false? True. True means again what will happen? Swapping. So again swapping, A of 3 will get 1. A of 4 will get 9. And j plus plus, it will become 4. 4 less than 4. False. Because you know that we can't check now. This value is not checked with other. So program will stop after this last pass on. Or sorry, last check only. So like this, what is happening here? When j value is 4, my condition got stopped. So after the first pass, did we get 9 at the end? Answer is yes. Okay. Now go with the second pass. In the second pass, what will happen? When this j condition got false, you know that it will go to which part? It will go to the I plus plus. So I value will become 1. So it will check 1 less than 4, true. When it is true, again it will come here. This value will become 1. 1 less than 4, true. Again when it is coming here, again your j will get initialized to 0, guys. J will get initialized to what? 0. 0 less than. Now this equation is what? N value is what? 5 minus 1 minus now I value is 1. So how much, guys? 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So this complete equation will get changed to 3. Now remember, previously 4, now it is 3 because already one value got sorted. Now again it will start from the beginning. A of j, what is j value? 0. A of 0 is how much? 3. A of 0 is how much? 3. Greater than A of j plus 1. What is j plus 1 here? 6. You can check here. What is 6? J plus 1? 6. So 3 greater than 6, guys. Condition false. False means no values will get changed, guys. Because this condition is false, nothing will happen. So here there is no change. Next, j plus plus, j will become 1. When we come here, j plus plus. So j value is 1. 1 less than 3. Condition true. True means it will come inside. Again, A of j is how much? 1. A of 1 is 6. So this value will become 6. Greater than A of j plus 1. J plus 1 is 2. So 6 greater than 2. Condition true. True means A of j is how much? 6. That will go to the t value. Next, A of j is equals to A of j plus 1 means A of j is 6. Next value is 2. This value will get assigned to where? A of j position. So this value will come to the here. And then A of j plus 1 means this position will assign to t. What is t value? 6. Simply interchange the value. Don't get confused. Clear? Next again, j plus plus, j will become 2. 2 less than 3. Condition true. Condition true means it will come inside. It will check A of j. What is j value? A of 2. 2 value is how much? 6 here. Second position value is 6. 6 is greater than A of j plus 1. That is 1. Condition true. When condition true, what will happen, guys? Swap the values. So swap the values. 1 will come here. 6 will go here. Then j plus plus, it will become 3. 3 less than 3. Condition false. Because you know that already 2 values got sorted. So it will not go further. So condition is stopped there. After this condition is false, again it will go to which for loop? I for loop. I value will become 2 here. When I value is 2, again j value got initialized to what, guys? 0. 0 less than. Now here. N value is how much, guys, here? 5. Minus 1, 4. Minus I value is 2. 4 minus 1, 2. So this will execute only 2 times because already this values got sorted. Only 2 swaps will come here. Now again it will start. A of j. What is the A of j value? A of 0 value 3. Greater than A of j plus 1, that is 2. 3 greater than 2, true. True means it will come inside. Now already you are aware, so no need to explain, just swap the value. So this will come 2, this will come 3 guys. Next, j plus plus, j will become 1. 1 less than 2, true, true means it will come here. A of 1 is how much? 3. Greater than a of 2, that is 1. 3 greater than 1, true. True means swapping will get performed. So here it will come 3, here it will come 1. Then j plus plus, it will become 2, 2 less than 2, false. So it means after the third one, your 3 values got sorted. Next again, which value will get incremented? I value. I plus plus, it will become 3. 3 less than 4, true. True means it will come inside. J value initialized to how much guys? 0. So this will get initialized to 0. This equation, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. So this will become 1. So 0 less than 1, condition true. When condition true, it will come inside. When it is coming inside, then a of j, what is a of j value? 2. J plus 1 value is 1. 2 greater than 1, condition true, swap will get performed. So 1 will come here and 2 will come here. Then j plus plus, it will become 1. But 1 less than 1, condition false. So my program will get stopped here on. And then finally, you got your sorted concept on this one. Am I right? Then this is about what? The sorting concept. But here one point is very important. Sir, right now my values are not sorted. My values are not sorted. Example, imagine. First time it is executed 4, 3, 2, 1. Total how many times it is executed guys? 10 times as per these values. But now the problem is, suppose imagine I gave the value 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. I entered this value only. Do we need any sorting here? No. But still it will execute how many times? 10 times because I wrote this logic. So here one concept you can implement. What you can implement? I will write just below to this one flag 0. Don't worry guys, in practical I already explained all this stuff. Flag is equals to 1. What is the meaning? Sir, when first time I am checking all the values, means I am comparing 1 with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 6, 6 with 9. So as per this program, you tell me, when I started this program, suppose I started this explanation. 1 with 2, 1 is greater than 2, condition false, means this logic will not perform. 2 with 3, 2 greater than 3, false, this logic will not perform. 3 with 6, this logic will not perform. 6 with 9, this logic will not. It means this logic is not executed. When this logic is not executed, what is the flag value initially? 0. So is it changed? No, because this logic is not executed. So what I will do, before going to the second pass, means before increasing the I value, I will check here. If I will write continuation of this program. In logic, practical I will explain you, don't worry. I will check here if my flag equals to 0, meaning I will check if my value is not changed, I will say break. Break means what? Stop. You have to understand this program is sorted. If it is not 0, again continue your program from there. So this particular part I explain in detail in the practical part. I hope you got the complete clarity about the bubble sort algorithm. Now let us see with the practical where I will explain this program in Dev C++. Okay guys, so till now I explained you about how to write the bubble sort algorithm, how to solve the bubble sort algorithm in a theoretical way. Then I write the simple program and I explain you on the board all the explanation I gave. Now I will tell you how to execute that same program in the Dev C++. So let me write the program. So as you know, to write the program, first we should include the two header file, that is #include stdio.h, conio.h. Then we should write the main function. In that we will take first array of 5 and we'll write the values here. What are the values? 9, 3, 6, 2, 1. And then we will take the two variables I, j. Also we will be required n is equals to 5 because total number of value, and then we will require flag is equals to initially 0 and one temporary variable. What are the use and all? Everything already we have seen on the board. So for I is equals to 0, I less than n minus 1 I plus plus, because first time when values are 5 it will execute 4, if values are 10 it will execute 9 times. For j is equals to 0, j less than n minus 1 minus I, and then at the last you have to write here j plus plus. Okay, so it will execute, suppose 5 values are there, first time 4 times, then 3 times, then 2 times, then 1 time. Okay, here we are checking if condition, if a of j is greater than a of j plus 1. If this condition is true, what it is going to do? It is going to swap the value. How it will swap? T is equals to a of j, a of j is equals to a of j plus 1, a of j plus 1 is equals to t. If this condition is true, then swapping will perform, and if swapping is performed, flag value is 1. So if flag value is not changed, it means the elements are already sorted, guys. If flag value is changed, 0 to 1, then it means this value is not yet sorted. So now after completion of, suppose first check, like adjacent element, first time we are checking. After checking, we will check whether the flag value is changed or not. If flag value is not changed, it means when the flag value is 0, it means no swapping is done. No swapping is done means already the values are sorted. It will stop automatically. If it is not 0, it means what? Again make the flag 0 and again go for the second time check. So like this it will continue all the program. But after completion of the program, we should print sorted values. Whatever the sorted values are there, that we need to print on the screen. So that's why again I will write for I is equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Now I will write printf %d comma a of I. So everyone look at to the program here what I explained. Let me just reduce little size here. Whatever I explain on the board, guys, nothing new in that. The same concept I explain here. Okay, now see here. So first you have taken the array. You have taken I, j, n value 5, flag value 0 and t. So first what is happening? First time it is checking 9 with 3, 3 with 6, 6 with 9 with 3, then 9 with 6, then 9 with 2, then 9 with 1. Whichever the biggest value, that will go at the end. So like this logic already we have explained. So you also can draw that diagram which I explained, like I, j, and change the value and try this program. So let me show you directly the output, because already explanation we have done. So execute, compile and run the program. Save the program with pr bubble sort.c. Okay, now see sorted value 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. So like this we can do this program. So I hope you got complete